In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw money on Exness. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Exness like you usually would on your favorite browser. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account. From here, you'll need to go up to the right-hand side called Deposit. And from here, you'll need to click Deposit on Real Account. From here, it should bring something like this inside of your settings page. From here, you'll need to go over to the menu page where it says Payment and Wallet. You'll need to scroll down until you see withdrawal right here. From here, you'll see all payment methods. And Exness support Binance Pay, NetTeller, Skrill, or Stick Pay. You can also down here transfer your funds from another account to another right here. And you can also withdraw to all of these different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Tron, or USD coin and USD coin, USDC down here. From here, you'll need to choose the one that you want. And from here, you can see the withdrawal application over here, where you'll see the payment method and that you choose Binance Pay or the specific method that you chose. You can see the currency. You can see from account, where you can choose between all of your specific accounts. And down here, you can choose the amount of how much money you want to withdraw over to your crypto wallet. From here, you'll need to click continue and then add your crypto wallet, and then you can withdraw the cash right then and there. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.